Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in Atlantic Highlands, New Jersey. It's the gateway to the rest of the Jersey Shore. We're starting a 200 amp service upgrade, and we're also going to be installing a circuit for a jacuzzi. Drive some ground rods, we're going to do the water ground, and then we're going to start that jacuzzi line. So we're going to go from 100 amp to 200 amp. It's pretty simple right up there, except those branches might get in my way a little bit, so I'll probably trim those back. Alright, so there's a few things you need to know about the ground rods. And the first one is the right end to put in. So this is like a flat end right here. So this will be the ground rod going up. But it's this section here where it's rounded and almost pointed. This is a section that actually goes down. That's one thing. So I'm going to draw my first ground rod here. I'm just going to lay this ground rod. It's 8 foot. I'm just going to lay this ground rod here, and I know that that's more than 6 feet. So I'm going to drive my other ground rod right here, usually about 12 inches away from the foundation so we don't hit the footings. And as you can see, this soil is very sandy here. Alright, so I had to drill twice there to attach this bonding bridge because it wasn't straight. So I came back with a level, drew a line, and made sure that the bridge was straight. Now the bonding bridge is intended for satellite television electrode, cable television electrode, data electrode, phone electrode. It's an essential location. So basically, and also the PVC conduit you see there is just to protect the ground wire going down into the ground. That's all it's doing. But between the two ground rods, and then it comes up through this conduit, it attaches to the bonding bridge, and then from the bonding bridge it'll go directly into the main breaker panel, which will be going in right behind where this meter is. And we'll attach it once the new panel is in place. And that's how you put in ground rods for the grounding electrode system. Hope you enjoyed. So I had good intentions of showing you how I ran the number 2 AUG aluminum grounding electrode conductor to the water main. But unfortunately I had some issues with the GoPro. I guess my camera battery died. And so this is all the footage I have. But at the end here you'll see where you jump from the line side to the customer side. And that's that bond right there. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on the next one.